On today's episode of Cooking with Misscuan, we're going to be cooking Ropa Vieja. For the ingredients for this dish, you need flank steak or falda, that's how you say it in Spanish, parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of cooking wine or vino seco, a pinch of sugar, half of a red pepper and half of a green pepper cut the long way, half of an onion also cut the long way, onion powder, garlic powder, half a cup of tomato sauce, sazon completa, oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and cumin. These are your ingredients. The first step to making the ropa vieja, you're gonna need an Instapot pressure cooker or a traditional pressure cooker. In this video, you're gonna learn how to make it on the Instant Pot. What you have to do is, in the Instant Pot, you need to fill up the container to about half with water. Secondly, you're going to add a little bit of salt. Thirdly, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be adding the flank steak in the Instant Pot, just like that. Move it within the water so it gets a little bit of the salt. You're gonna put the lid on and you're gonna hit meat and you're going to wait. So this is the end product. Enjoy!